My name's Chris, I'm 27 years old, I'm from Coleshill in Birmingham. We've got a border collie named Tig, and we've also got Zig, who's a 4-month-old cat. I saw an advertisement for a beetle in the local garage for £900. Went to have a look at it, kind of fell in love, and I've had it about 8 years now. It's like one big bump with 4 little small bumps around it, so bumpy. So I like being outdoors, kind of getting away from the hustle and bustle of the city, camping, walking, and then locally kind of trying to do a bit for the kind of local community, raise money for charity, like marathons, half marathons, extreme sports. So I became interested in the sustainability project when I saw it advertised in store. People were really excited about giving the opportunity to make a difference and to show other people what you can do. The things I chose for my kit to be more sustainable were the Renlig washing machine. It's a high energy efficient rated than my previous washing machine, so it uses less energy and less water. I also bought the Stabil food insert, so the steamer inserts. It helps with healthy eating, it also saves gas and water. The changes I've made are less to do with money saving, they're more to do with a mentality and an appreciation of resource. So it's little things like turning the tap off when you brush your teeth, or taking shorter showers, using water efficient devices such as the washing machine. So it's just little things that you can change to make a big difference.